Hello, my name is Tim Tangent with Fairfax County's Department of Tax Administration. Today we're at Fairfax County's Government Center to show you the new and improved Tax Relief and Exemptions Office. Without further ado, follow me. You can enter from any of the available entrances here at the Government Center, but the handicapped accessibility doorway is located to your right. It's also closer to our new Tax Relief Office. Now that we've entered the lobby, many of you may remember that our old office was located down the hall on your left-hand side. The new Tax Relief and Exemptions Office is located very closely here on our right. Let's go take a look. As you can see, the new office is located just a short distance from the front entrance. The door is automated, allowing wheelchair accessibility and anyone to enter at any time. Let's go inside and take a look. All you have to do is wave your hand. As soon as you enter, you'll be greeted by our spacious and welcoming lobby, along with plenty of comfortable seating. We've equipped it with a ticket queue system for easy check-in, along with plenty of space for individuals to enter and leave without any issues. We have 3 customer service counters that are designed with accessibility and privacy in mind, making it easier for our seniors and veterans to get the assistance they need. Our trained staff is always ready to assist with a smile, ensuring every visit is efficient and comfortable. Now that you've seen the front office, let's go behind the scenes where staff process your tax relief requests. Follow me. Behind every great customer's experience is a team of dedicated professionals working hard to make sure all your needs are met. Here, our employees answer phone calls, respond to emails, and resolve issues, all while processing the applications for relief and exemptions. This entails the processing of over 10,000 applications annually by staff. We are committed to providing you with a seamless experience when you visit and throughout your application process. We hope you enjoyed the new Tax Relief and Exemptions Office. In the future, we look forward to assisting you in answering any tax relief questions, or if you just would like to come in and take in the history of our applications on the walls. We look forward to seeing you very soon.